guys, in this video, I want to show you the 0 to 136K TikTok strategy. I want to show you the store that was scaled exclusively with TikTok ads. I want to show you guys what's working on TikTok right now. And also I want to share with you some of the resources that you can use for yourself to scale your TikTok ads. So if you need that, just comment TikTok and I'll share that to you. So that's pretty much the cheat sheet on how to launch product tests on TikTok. So as you can see here, guys, this is the store, 137K euros. It's actually operating in the German market. And actual spend to get that is 36,000 euros. There is no Facebook on this one, right? So this is kind of like a small, very, very, very profitable TikTok store. Pretty much, the way I'm thinking about it, right? Like, and TikTok is a very new platform for me. I don't want to like recreate the wheel. I just want to like reverse engineer and find what's working already. So then I don't have to make a lot of mistakes that other people are doing. So I'm using currently the tool called Mynea. If you want to use this tool, it's a great tool. I'll give you the coupon code so you get a discount. Pretty much, TikTok is a platform where if you have the right type of product, you can scale it very fast. All of the costs on TikTok are very low as of right now. And on Mynea, it gives you like all of these great options here. You can see just ideas for the products that you could sell, like wooden world map here, artistic home accents. You can see that's very, very successful here. All compliant products, no problem with that at all. You can see like some stuff from like Star Wars. So a lot of like good product ideas. You can see even like air cleaners and stuff like that. But you can see here, what I wanted to show you are the TikTok ads tool on Mynea, because that will actually be extremely, extremely valuable, right? Let's do Shopify. I like Shopify, and then let's do likes again. Okay, 250K likes. Let's do it this way, right? So all the products, let's say you wanted to find like product ideas, or you wanted to find like content ideas. This is it, right? You just go here and like reverse engineer what's already like working, and then you can sell a bunch of products here. Okay, so this is some cooking product. Let me see here. All right, see the product. What is the product here? What's done? It's not even, you can see it's like myshopify.com, right? Like, so it's not even like a custom domain name. Let me see the ad. That's it, right? Like, I mean, that's just, for me, that just doesn't make any sense. But the most important thing is that it actually works. Another one here. What's the product here? Portable fan. Yeah, bunch of drop shipping products, that you've probably seen for years. I mean, these products, we've sold a lot of them. Yeah, just a lot of random products. Let me see what's that. Obviously, TikTok traffic is not as converting as Facebook. It took us like a lot of time to start looking into it, just because the intent is not there, but the cost and organic reach is like way, way, way better than Facebook right now. So what I would do is, if you want to scale on TikTok, just get the document here, like launch product testing. I mean, that's probably the biggest factor, the product itself. But then on the creative side, you want to develop a process for continuously introducing new content pieces. You can consistently test something new here, right? And so what's important for TikToks is, and how you kind of like can shortcut that learning curve, is looking at these like successful ads, right? You can see like kind of like attractive ladies. I mean, that stuff always works. You have obviously some funny stuff. I mean, that always works. You can see very interesting angles, right? Like, so what you kind of like learn from Moon Lamp. I mean, this product has been around forever. I mean, we've sold Moon Lamp long time ago. That's crazy. Fire diffuser. What is this? Like fire diffuser. So cool. Let me see what this ad is about. This content can be recreated anywhere, right? Anyone can shoot a video like this, anyone can post a video like this, and then it has potential to go viral, like 7.7 million views. Like that can generate you some very good amount of sales. And then once you have that, let's say once you have those type of ads and kind of like understanding things on the organic side, you can also run ads with it, right? So that's where like TikTok actual ads come into play. Hey guys, people have been asking me how we scale to multiple 6 figures or even 7 figures per month without getting shut down on Facebook. And we have a very sophisticated solution for this that I want to share with you, but it's just like too valuable to give away for free. So if you guys want this solution, just book a call with one of my team members and we'll show you exactly what it is and how it works, and we'll see if that's a good fit for you and for your business. So just book a call with my team member. We'll share it with you so you can scale your business to multiple 6 figures or even 7 figures per month without getting shut down on Facebook, without having inconsistency, and with high profitability. So just book a call with my team and I'll see you there. TikTok is a great platform if you jump on it and if you figure out the content. Content is the most important element to be successful on TikTok, specifically like disruptive kind of like content where kind of like gets people to click and watch. Sometimes the content that wouldn't make any sense at all is actually converting very well. You get like €2 like CPMs, right? Crazy stuff. CPC 0.39, very close to what you would get like in Europe on actual like Facebook. Still profitable. €20 like CPA for the products that has like average order value probably like 40-50. So guys, if you need this cheat sheet, like I will share it with you. So just comment TikTok below and I'll send it your way. And if you want to take advantage of my NIA here, I would highly recommend you guys kind of just start looking into like what's working. There's just so many product ideas. A lot of people thinking like what type of products I should sell. There's no lack of like ideas for products. It's more like how you execute those ideas, how you actually make them work. That's more important part. And this is it, guys. Let me know if you have any like TikTok related questions below. I'll probably shoot like some more videos on angles and different type of ads you can do specifically, kind of like breaking all of these down with examples and stuff like that. So just comment, let me know if you have any questions. Comment TikTok below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments.